Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to Ashley's Homestead Adventures. I'm out in the barn doing morning chores. We have a bit of a split day today because I get to work in the groom shop today. So if I can, I'll share those pictures with you like I always do. But for right now, we are just out in the barn. All of the horses, I've gotten Chance and Grace their morning hay, but I need to get the other three their morning hay and get some morning chores done. All right, Chance has got hay. Miss Grace has got her special hay. Josie's got hers, Velvet's got hers, and Maggie's waiting for her grain, but she has hay. Look at the two girls. Oh, of course, as soon as I zoom in on them, they quit playing. Good morning, baby chicks. Good morning. All right. Oh, you guys are getting crazy. Get you some water. Oh my goodness. Oh. With food. Okay, nobody panic. I'm coming in with food. Oh my goodness, check your oyster shells. There you go. Alright. Oh, you guys are big and active. Yeah, you're getting big. So we're 2 weeks old, Mama. Okay, now it's time for grains, morning grains for the ones that get it. All right, Billie Jean, Grace, Maggie, Velvet, and I have a cookie for Chance and Josie. There you go, son. We will try. Uh-oh, dropped it in the grain bucket. There you go, Joss. All the rain we got last night, you guys. Came all the way in the barn. I bet you we got 4 inches at least. Morning, sister. Holy cow, that's how much water we got last night. Look at that. That pan was empty last night when I fed Billie Jean. Wow. Come on, sister. I'm gonna go ahead and go in since she met me here. Get her a good fly spraying. She's out here in this back pasture now. And the grass is real deep. The ticks and the flies are worse, of course, as always, where there's more grass. There you go, baby girl. Enjoy your day. I'll just be right there if you need me. Don't think for a second she won't call me if she wants a snack. Is that what you were waiting for? You're welcome. Okay, everybody's got their breakfast. And my morning is going to go out to the groom shop now because my first dogs are here early. So I am going to put my dogs up and go to work. Okay, weren't those beautiful Aussies? So we got them all cleaned up for summer, which is good. And while I was at work, look what came. We got a package to open. I know who it's from. It is from Deerfamy, which I have their garden stool, of which I love. I love it because this is to kneel on, and these are your pockets, and as you can see, this is well used. It's got my gloves and all of my tomato tying up stuff, and then over here it's got some pruners, and then these actually just pop off. And you flip it over, just like that. You can pop them back on. Just like that. And like that, all one-handed. And now you have a stool. And I use this thing all the time. I love it. Okay, so let's see what it is. It is a bike rack. All right. So they reached out to me and told me that they were going to give me something for organization. This is a review, by the way. Comes with hardware, and here it is. It's got this piece and this piece. So there's that part. Now I'm going to go ahead and hang the bike. Okay. So and the cool thing is that that turns and your bike stays in it. That's pretty cool, actually. So I am going to go ahead and mark where I need to install that. So now, if you want, you can just let it sit right there. And now I have a bike that is hung on the wall, and at the same time, if I want it to, I can just rotate it. I can just move it to wherever I want it. So, and I actually kind of like it right there. So that is probably where I'm gonna leave it. But it's super nice that it's got a nice little thing to catch the tire. And now there is one more bike that is put up and has its final resting place in my garage, which is pretty exciting, you guys. It's pretty cool to have it hung and, you know, to where it is out of the way. It's not, you know, just taking up floor space in the shop. Now it's hung up and it's in the corner here and not in the way. So my review on this product is I think it's a cool product. It was not terribly hard to put together. It only took 4 screws, and then it took 6 screws to hang. I feel like it's stable and it works the way that they say that it's going to work. So so yeah, I'm excited. Thank you, Deerfamy, for helping me organize my shop. So with that, thank you guys for hanging out with me today and helping me feed, do morning chores, and tackle this little project that I had and do a review. Hope you guys had a great day. I'll catch you on the next one. Yours truly.